guys, Team 44, Johnsy and crew, they've picked up that 30 points almost a little bit easy. So the guys are driving nicely. This LJ, gee, she's got a few little rock scuffs on there, showing a few signs of its previous life, being a blue hard top, I believe this started life as.
Yeah, that'll probably polish out there.
If you keep polishing it, does it go back to blue?
Maybe. Or something will happen. But nevertheless, boys are doing a good job of this.
Yeah, absolutely. I tell you what, it's really cool, again, seeing the different ways that people are building vehicles. Again, this was built specifically for this weekend. The guys have only just finished it. You know, really light, really nimble little buggy, you know, air shocks at each corner. Again, I don't want to use the word basic, but it's a relatively simple vehicle. Little turkey seats in it. Everything's really, you know, down to the wire, just, you know, looking after the kilos in there. I know Johnsy's been on an intensive program to make sure that it's as light as possible. Oh, the crowd's laughing. Hey, there's a bit of life left.
That was me. I was just waiting for you to comment on the windscreen there.
Absolutely.
It looks like the bonnet and grill are all one piece. They're all pressed out of the same sheet.
Awesome. It's a very good little rig.
He's on me.
Apparently they've been pretty hard on transfer cases this weekend. The guys are on their second or third transfer case, so they've been playing hard, committed themselves to this line, taking out their witches hat at the 40-point mark. Nevertheless, got the job done.
After a big jump.
So Stuart, it sounds like there may be a little bit of tweaking and redesign before hopefully another attempt next year for these guys. Again, I think they're going to be one of the sneaky peaks of this event. They seem to be getting good, solid points on every stage, and that's what it's all about, you know. There's been not a real lot of fuss, not a real lot of noise, but the guys are just creeping around, banging down the points, banking them, and that's where, you know, that's what wins events at the end of the day.
That's right, consistency. See a lot of these guys come out and have really